Welcome back again, One Nation family. Them say when you in a clothes full of hole, there with married woman. But me know me not there with no married woman. Probably a sweet, me too sweet. Cause if them you can come on social media say them sweet and them look good and doctor fix them good and them a go come out and them a go put out the doctor will fix them good so they can go check doctor. Woman out there no might make a sad mistake. We no try no do it. Alright. Cause we see with we naked eye. We eye them not have on no clothes. We see with naked eye them not have on no underpants, no brassiere, no drawers, no slip, nothing at all. They say we no see. Said that the job there wasn't done properly. Whether how she wore feet, half price she pay feet, or whosoever do it just no good. We no know. Alright. Anyway, people, when you go and do make I take a sip of my Pepsi. And a sexy me sexy. I don't know what they do. Only no need to make me tell them, oh, sorry, the new people, they might not know what they do. We just come on today. But who come on yesterday and the day before must know what they do. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. And remember, hit the thumbs up. Remember, continue to support my backup channel, and if you are new over here and you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, that's Life is a Mission TV, you can't miss. So if you even type in the wrong thing and you know see my face come up, you know it's not me. So you got to type the right thing. Life is a Mission TV. That's my backup channel. Family oriented channel. Different type of signal over there. You see a different side of me. You see me in the kitchen I cook. You see me outdoor I cook. You see me I do drama, entertainment, newscast, and not to mention the big one there around the corner pick up. The adventure and sightseeing. But we just go and take our time. Because one thing we do in our life, we don't rush nothing at all. Because when time we get in, we want to stay in. We don't rush nothing that we have to get put out. Alright? So, we don't know what they do. Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy, the in the comment section. Hit the subscription button. Maris done the Pepsi. So people, ICT girl, she come out talking about how people complimenting her must say Sunday when she got the all white affair. Where one breast up on her chin and one the on her belly bottom. And people complimenting her for that and asking who is the doctor and should they want to know the doctor. But the main part of this video, she worrying about if her name still in the Bible. Because she says such individual put her name in a Bible and she come out asking her followers if it mean for good or it mean for bad. She don't know. But all she know when she grow, she hear about all kind of different voodoo, zoodoo and foodoo. So she are fretting. But I want to know why all of a sudden now she fretting. She claimed to say somebody asks her if her name come out of the Bible. And that's why she do the reel where she do mostly Saturday or Sunday. I ask if her name still in the Bible. So if I never something with upon your mind, why you da come out and worry about it? And no, knowing you, nobody asks you about it. Probably you just sit down and you have flashes. You know? Flashes of your corruption self. And that might flash back in your thought and you just come out with it. Nobody asks you, know. Because anybody asks you that, involved in the same type of thing where you talk about. And she talk and she talk and she talk. So, here we don't know we have to start it where she want to start it. Because she like to start it at this level and then she carry it here. So, I could hear what she has said, complimenting herself first.
It's about 5 business days to recover. You're damn right about that, Marvelous. But say, last night, I sleep. Oh, I can't see it in my eyes, right? Oh, God. I say yesterday, I feel like, I get body calm down, okay? Because, remember, I've been on the go all week. I'm on the go, a bake and a decorate cake don't drive. And if they don't drive, it's kind of like they don't make any sense. You understand what I'm saying? Because
You not make no
that's
sense,
what
yes, sir.
I need people
I
to
am not
actually
making any
make
sense from
deliveries
last
for
week,
me.
week
And
before,
if
and the
you
week
don't
before.
drive,
But hold on.
or if you can't go and run an errand or something like that, it makes no sense. You understand? So, I'm just foreseeing everything myself for now.
All right, people, let me ask a question. Cause me hear this with this from last week to week before last. After she come out on our platform, right? And she said, "How? And just wait, man. Just bear with me a little bit. I so open the website for her to start make some orders. When I started to do some baking, I will open the website. I am just, I am just trying to relax a little bit. And but next week, not even next week, the other week, yes, I will open the website and start to bake again." So let me ask a question, Tina. Your website is basically where you get your bulk of your order from. Where your website can manage the amount of order you get when it up. Cause it no stop crash. I don't know if it's some defective vehicle where always a crash out the road and need front end. It come like your website need front end. Cause it just a crash so. But we can't see how it a crash. Because the workload is supposed to crash our website. We are coming pan that the website there. It now come in pan your website either. But what me I say? After you have said that, you come back out days after. Even though you just a say, you have been baking. So where all those orders come from, Tina? Tina, the China order where you export how much pallets of cake, Tina, in bulk, Tina. Where did that order come from? Okay. Let's say those orders come in personally to your phone. But Tina, on your website you also have a phone number out there. I think so. So if you're going to take order on your phone, why you shut down your website? It no make no sense. Because if you need some well-needed rest and you need to deal with some personal affair and business that you have to do, and this is the reason why you shut your website down, and giving the people them time to open up back your website when you're going to have time for bake. Because you have some personal issue dealing with. Why you have that number up same way? That number supposed to lock off or turn down or something. Where when it ring it can't disturb you. Because that number supposed to be your business number only, not your personal number. So if you lock down your website where you get majority of your sales from, why have the number up? So you're only taking orders from the number then? Or something wrong with your website? Me don't know. Or you just come out of a fool people or take people for idiot? Which one? Because you need well-needed rest. But yet still, you still a bake. After telling the people them say, you're not doing any baking now. Just give you another week or two. Make you sort out some personal things before you open back the website. But yet still, over that same period where you say all this, you have been baking. Oh, so that's a personal thing that you deal with. You do some personal baking for the people in China where you ship pallets of. Oh, sorry, me don't know. Me just asking. Because if me have a website out there, and me have my number out there on the website. So if you want to contact me personally, you can contact me. And me decide to take a break and go on a vacation, and I shut the website down. I supposed to also shut the phone down. Because the phone is for the public to call me where business is concerned. And I don't want to be disturbed. My frame of mind is not where business is concerned until the next 2 weeks. So my phone's supposed to shut down and the website's supposed to shut down, but you only shut down the website. I want 2 weeks to do personal business, but you still a bait during the 2 weeks according to you. Only hear what she just a while ago? I know me say so.
And when it comes on to peak season, when the orders get to be a lot more, then I will bring on people. But there are people who want to work for me, but they just don't have a ride.
So all of them is a season that we're gone. But we don't see you bring on nobody. I never peak season. Them the blooming season the way you say you have all last year. And we don't see you bring on nobody. More than you click the camera in the bakery, in the bakery where you rent a little space. And I could see one little dirty foot man and one little dirty pants. I don't know where I do on the table. And you make it look like, okay, because what you do, you fit him in your video to make it look like, okay, are you my work for? Because you notice you don't show nowhere else in the bakery, because basically you're not allowed to. Restriction. You can't expose other people. You expose what you are do and your little area. But what you do, you kind of twist your camera over. We can see half of the man like you split him in two. And we see half of him in one little dirty pants. And he might do something like you give the impression, say, okay, that's my prep person or whatsoever. Move! All of them are see the way you peak or you heek or you this and you that or you make much money and bake much product. We never see hire nobody. I know you hire people, but people want to work for you. Who want to work for you? What are you doing to pay people? What kind of production you are running for you to hire people to pay people? You just come out here and pretend like you have this large sum of orders and you're making this large batch of cakes. And here's a year alone I bake batches of cakes. So why now you want help? Is it that your numbers get a bit bigger than the normal? Yeah, I don't know. This lie was a person.
You know, it's very metro. A lot of people take the subway and stuff, which is nothing. A lot of people do Lyft and stuff. But like when you're on the go like me, I need a car. I need somebody who's like bam, bam, bam. You know what I mean? Yeah.
One bag of excuse. Move! You feel like you can't come out here come trick sensible people. You trick the fool them on top of your platform and hand your platform and the make like the platform and hand you. You can't trick nobody out here with sense.
The heat was Bronx died. Okay, I heard that same day, Sunday.
They in a shotgun
died in
naked.
the Bronx from heat stroke. So just to tell you how bad it was outside. Exactly, Lovely. They want to come and tell me, oh, my bralette is too much and I should dress like a grandmother. Bitch, if my body said dress like what, that's what I'm going to give it.
No, I don't think the people really want to tell us if just like my grandmother. It's just that them never brave enough to tell you say you don't look good. Because I see two pictures where you post, people have them and post a dash all about like rubbish. All over people like that and it not a dash up. You know, for a positive reason. It a dash to show how you look. And the morning I wake up Sunday morning, where I see you run out, say you sit down in your car wait for your makeup artist. All of a sudden you have makeup artist and you go to a makeup shop, man. You're not a personal makeup artist, man. Stop going like you have a personal makeup artist. You don't just love size up. And you go so boom and you wait and the girl come and you go do your hair and you dip on your live and you say, oh, you wait till you see my shoes. Gosh, you know I have a touch for certain things. And all me I look for see the shoes where you da brag about where you go wear. Or slippers me see, me still not see it. Me I wait for you post a video there with the shoes. Or that picture there with the shoes where you talk about. Me can't wait to see the out of the box slippers, shoes where you da wear. The all white party there. Because the way you talk, when me see the picture them I dash out, me never go searching nothing, you know. But me see some picture I dash out and the first place me look pan. Me don't even look for your breast, me look down for your foot there because of the shoes me want to see. When me hear you brag and I boast about. So you know me have taste of certain things and I have a ick on certain little things and sometimes hey when you see the shoes and going to say, oh man, where do you get that shoe? No, me can't see the shoes. So me I wonder what kind of shoes if you have to take it off as you put it on like how man say they put on shoes and can't walk in night and she reach the gala she have to take it off like she just a beg to come out of the van just to prove say okay I have on the shoes to match my dress or to fit my dress and she tall up to the ear but as she come through the gala door ropes slippers not even 5 minutes and she take it off. So me I wonder if I the same thing cause remember your foot them not stay too right you know. Your foot them under some form of pressure. What kind of pressure me don't know. Cause I can't fat you just a put on weight on your ankle. I remember you told them that they on your good. You told them coming like some down the country ginger. We're growing in some stubborn soil. You know? So when the ginger bursts out, it not get no room to come through the soil because the soil is so stubborn. So it's like the ginger try force to come through the soil and are stunted. So you told them look. So remember your foot them not so good. So not no more than you go buy sitting out of the way where you can't manage. Just to show off and then within 2 seconds you reach a all white you have to take it off. Cool no too. Okay. Just to show off and brag upon people.
That's what I'm
make yourself uncomfortable.
You dress conservative, but this is a party and we're out in the open. We're out in the heat. So I am gonna dress according to I had on too much clothes. Yes, because I had on a damn pants. And I was hot as shit. I was like, oh no, I want to take this off. You're lucky. You're lucky you even get a bralette. Okay? You're lucky you never get something span the nipple. Because I'm old like that.
Huh, you bold like that, yes, but probably through a day make you not do it. If I did night, you'd probably do it. Because night all your faults of your body would have show up. If I did night, all the body of your fault wouldn't show up. But if a day you try that, like it's a day party that, all the faults of your body would have show up. And that's why you not try that. Anyway, it was a night party, probably that you do. Yes, but choose a day party. You don't want your body show up because there is so much faults of your body. From toe come right up to ankle, all the faults just are traveling a giant. All of your faults in your body are traveling a giant. I want to come out and come discriminate people. Look at Uno too.
You see, as long as I have the legs and the body or whatever, or the cut.
As long as you have them the horse leg there. Not even the horse them don't come on a spot no look like you when they turn up. Better legs than yours.
Type of way, I don't like.
140 had somebody must be on the live. And she only have 23 views. So she a ball, how we expect her to be a, not me, how them expect her to be a content creator. You don't like me. Then when you know that? Eh? And when you know that? Because if you have 140 at somebody I watch you, and you only have 23 likes. Come on. And yes, up lately most people complain so them can't find the likes on them on live. Well, I don't know about Facebook, but like YouTube, the thing change where you have to press a 3 that up at top. Then you see the like. One time you could have just see the like and you press like. But I know we're going over Facebook. But come on, if them interested, them will contact you and try to find out. Yeah, when they're on the live, I can't see over go on likes and press the likes, you know, them will contact you. But them not interested. Because they are not with you. They are not supportive of you. You understand? Them just watch you to see where your car come. Them just watch you to see your hypocrisy. Them just watch you to see your bad mind, your jealousness, everything that's wrong about you. I just eat them come to watch and listen. You understand? Simple.
You don't support me in no way. But you know why I'm a keep on.
You finally admit that?
And talk.
Me glad you can admit that.
And Tina Chin said this and Tina Chin said that and all of the mix up and da. You know?
So she have to go start tell lie like some people. I want to know when time she talk certain things. As we say, we don't have to hear them call her name. We know who then dash them road pan. You know, but who then dash them road pan now look pan them. Because they don't really recognize. So they can dash them road all them want. But when the person that dash wood, dash stone, dash gravel, and dash sand, you wonder if it's a pit or dig where sand just a come out because you don't know the further you dig under the ground, you know. You pass dirt and the further you dig, a sand you get. You understand? Then you probably start getting some little fine gravel. So when she dash that and the further you go down the hole, the deeper you eat, so you have to come out further and wash with the shovel. You know enough of them get covered so them have to come out and talk. Yes, man.
I mean, come on, man. Enough for the better. Enough for the better. You know, so I'm the only creator out here talk sense on social media.
Damn. Wow. Yo. I'm not getting any views. Not getting any likes. Not getting any share. I want to be the opposite of you. I don't want to talk no sense. Because I don't want to talk with sense and I feel big views, I feel big likes and a big share. But I talk foolishness. Give the people them what they want to hear. You don't always follow suit so you can continue to follow suit. But make sure you don't follow suit at the right color suit and match your color. And make sure it fit you no good. You don't always follow suit. And then come out here going like a Uno the creator. You understand? So just continue to follow suit, man. But you have to tell lies like others.
Right. I'm the only one who talks sense out here. Everybody else chat foolishness. That's why when I like sit down and listen to foolishness. And somebody over here I have a real civil conversation and y'all don't like to hear that. I gotta think of something live and just start up a story and maybe I'll get the tips. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit down and think up some
Listen,
stories
we
that I
all
can
know
come
what's
up
partial
with
dash our word.
and just lie on social media because I realize that when you tell lies, that's when you get your views. You know, you have to make up stories. Like, but I cannot bring myself to that place, right?
Because every day, them sit down and them watch 99 views, 99 likes and whatsoever. So, them have a problem with her viewership that she have received when she go live. Them have a problem with her likes that she get when she go live. And because in a feed themselves, they must speak truth. In a feed themselves, they must speak things of sense. Them feel like them should have get the same amount or more. So in a them head, as you all know, them have we over here, so we head piece and stable, we don't have nothing in it. It hollow. You won't need nothing in it but look a brain. And when I say brain, I mean your brains. Not brain as in educational wise. Them feel like when we talk over here, so people shouldn't listen because a crap we talk. So them jealous over whatever them see we achieve over here, so. Because they are the educated one. So because they are the educated one, they should be the one who benefiting and inheriting all these likes and shares and views what we over here are inheriting. So they are wondering what happened. But remember now, we don't really share the same supporters. You understand? So the Duns supporters will stay with the Duns platform. So you have to get away for the bright supporters to stay with the bright platforms. Simple as that. You understand? Yes, man. Simple as that. Find a way out. Work it out. You're bright. Work it out. Go back to the drawing board and work it out.
I cannot bring myself to that place to make up stories to come on. Like, you see, just because my brain doesn't function in that manner, like, it's hard for me to go in the depths of my mind and conjure up something that makes no sense.
I can't tell you, say, if YouTube or Facebook did have a competition for the liar this content creator. I could put as content creator. Both on Facebook and social media. Where them a judge it. So then I know none of we in person. I know nothing about us. But what they do, at certain time of the year, like probably down in August sometime, they review our contents and review us. And them decide, to analyze whatever content we have done to make a decision if this content is genuine, this content is authentic, is this content a make-up story, is this content fiction or what? To prove that, to try and find it, try and find the top 5 liar this content creator. YouTube, Facebook. Me know. Me not ask no question. You in the top 3, not the top 5. You in the top 3, not the top 5. And a top 5, you do me say, make you squeeze weird on the bottom, you're in the top 3. So when you go talk about lie, and people come on platform to tell lies and make up stories to get views and likes and share. Come on. Who lie like you? And if that's the way to go, Queen was to say follow the formula. And she never choose to follow it. In her early days, is when things now work out, she try a formula now. But guess what me know? The baby them now take that type of formula back in the days where them used to take. You understand? Scientifically, the formula stronger now. So you have to go find the formula for the formula. You understand what I say to you? Yes, man. So you should have tried what we did do then, so be the case and tell a lie, because guess what me know? You come on your platform very desperately, needing likes, shares and You need stars and all kind of stuff. You understand? So in order for you to come on your platform to gain that, and you know say lie is one of the things where you can tell. Making up stories. Because your stories are not made up, you know. Your stories are real. You know? And making up stories so you can, you know, attract these viewers to give you stars, Cash App, Dash App, Zelle, Pell, and what you need. Come on, make up story, you idiot. You see why I'm telling you that's how the business now prosper. Because you don't know say the people them like that flavor, yeah, but you're afraid to give them it. So what you do, you bake cheese and Baileys only in every product. While the people them say to you say them don't like the cheese and Baileys, it's too Clyde. But because you feel like say you and yam it all, you continue to bake it and forgot that the public here deal with, you have to give them what they want. Give the people what they want. You need money, so give the people them what they want. Since you know the formula, give them what they want.
It's hard.
Who like how you know? But make up story.
Whenever you try to tell a lie, right? Or you try to make up a story, do you find it difficult to do so? I find it difficult to do so.
After you make up so much, I treat not work for you.
I
Oh,
don't know, but I find it hard to just get up and make up a story.
it not work for your people, so she find it
Like,
hard.
just for
But she still
views.
do it.
I'm from
It's
the-
not like you
I'm
make
from
no
the,
change.
I can't just make up a story for views. I think people who make up stories for views, I think there's something mental going on upstairs because it makes it so easy for them.
Wow,
to do it. It's
that's
kinda
you,
like a
Tina.
common-
Tina,
a
that's
common-
you.
a common
Mental
thing.
something
Like
going
a
up here.
regular person
Mentally,
will have an
you're
issue with it
sick.
because we are not used to that. We're not used to just coming on here and making up stories about people just for views and shares and stuff like that. So this is why you have to like guard your mental health. Yeah, man, you have to guard it because you have to be careful of what you expose it to. Because this platform here has some really sick, unstable individuals, and
I feel like
if you're
how that
not
ton of
careful,
goat
you
right
will
now.
unfortunately
And
get
eat
dragged into the mess.
some
By
leaf.
the way, yesterday I asked
Greatest
people
of
if
all
I
times
let me
when
name
it
this
come
still in
on
the Bible.
to
Anybody know if
making
my
up
name's still in the
story.
Bible? I was
She a
speaking about
goat
Obia
when it come on to that.
on
Greatest
my
of
reel
all
yesterday,
times.
and I was asking you
GOAT.
guys what are
She
your
a goat when
views
it
on
come on to
Obia.
that. Greatest of
And
all
I was
times.
also asking you guys about the whole putting name in a Bible act, right? No, like I told you guys, I grew up surrounded by Pentecostal people, right? I grew up in the church as a kid, right? So that whole, I was shielded from that type of devil worship per se, right? Um, I was shielded from this whole devil worship or black magic type of thing. I really have no knowledge of those things, okay?
Serious?
No, growing up, I started hearing
The
people
mosquito you
talk
follow me
about
up some man.
stuff, especially, no, where it seems like Obia is a thing. Obia is a thing. It's a
So you
thing,
never see
unfortunately.
patrol.
And I'm
Or you
trying to
walk
figure
come
out
cross
how
come
did
in the next
Obia
part of
become
walk.
such a common practice. And it's so, remember, Obia used to be something that was shunned, was shunned. People here say, yeah, the Obia, them now have nothing to do with you, yeah? Obia was that underworld of practice where people would.
But go see much all that sitting there where you walk in your life. Because you seems to grow jealous of a people and bad mind for what people achieve in a life. You understand? And from me I grow them say, never you grudge a man for where him have, because you don't know where him do forget it. You understand? You have people who go through the struggles before them achieve what them want. You understand? You have people who do a lot of things who is against God's will to achieve what them want. Things where you might not do or could ever think of do. So that's why them say never you grudge a man for where him have. And this is why me never ever grew up want to be like nobody. Me never see myself or tell myself say me want to be like that man there. No. Me see you and you inspire me, but me no want to be like you. You understand? You only inspire me if you say, boy, yes, me can make it in a life because me realize that me and you come from actually same level. And God bless you that you can take a step forward and achieve something in a life and build upon what you achieve. And me see which part you there today. Me no want to be like you because me start think say me want to be like you. Me I go start grudge you. Me I go jealous off of you. Me I go bad mind off of you. And me I go start think off of you. Because me feel like just as I say crab in a barrel, you shouldn't go up the left me. When me do me see you up there so you motivate me to push along. Because the same place you are come from and me there, or probably even behind worse than me, and you can reach it, so you motivate me and inspire me to push along to reach a level where me want to reach or God want to allow me to reach. Simple. But me no want to sit down and talk, I want to be like you. I want a car like you. No. You buy a car, and I see you drive a car, and I say where you come from just like me. You inspire me, say boy, yes, you give me hopes. You give me have faith in myself so I can achieve it too. Because I made it down in the worst part of the world. And you can come out and achieve you drive a car, achieve you have a house, achieve you have a business. You inspire me so I can achieve too. But me now come and walk and tell me I want to be like you. And that with most sound in a phone. I'm not jealous of what people have. That most time when you come out here, come try to explain certain things to the followers and to the public and all. You know, chat on them not realize. So you not expose on jealousy. Because we not talk about, we not say, statement we want to make. If people smart, because you know if you have education to smart, you're just smart. And people listen keenly and can observe and understand quickly about certain things that you know have said out here. It's all caused by jealousy. Wanna be. Someone feel like say, you know in the workplace I work too long, you know I do 10-year service, and me just come 3 years and me get supervisor. Yes, I the work when me come put in over the 3 years. Management say boy, yes. Me I quit myself to the work. You understand? And them say where me can be an asset to them company. So them give me that position there. You did a 10 years just I go through the motion because you just die every Friday come to get paid. Or month end come for you get paid. But me come and put in the work. Now say me come there, I try to show uno up. But this is just how me stay. Me come for work, me come for work. I better me want out of life. Me no want tomorrow morning. Remember me telling this to people. When a company lay off people, you know, you might say, oh, you're so salt to get lay off. Say them I take off 10 somebody off, I lay off 10 somebody. And you say, watch it, 500 somebody there, and watch there. Oh, Mr. Salfie at the 10. Is your record over the period of time where you did that work, them go through? So you see if you have poor attendance in coming to work, whether you're late or you miss days, or you always have excuse, remember, you are the first one to go on the list. Over me, we punctual, me there work early. Me no miss a day unless me have to miss it. And when me miss it, me have sick leave. You understand what I say? And at the same time, on the ground itself, who supervise me can see the work when me have put in, how active me is, how essential me is towards the entity. You get what me I say to you? So my name, now I go quick for them on the list. Your name I go quick for them on the only way my name will depend unless you have linkage. You understand? But once you don't have no linkage, those are the things they go by. Your previous record leading up to them laying off 10 somebody. So remember that. So sometimes some people can't bother go work this morning. They can't this for no reason at all. You understand? And at the end of the day, you know, when time comes for the people, them lay off people here in the batch, you wonder how you're so sad. Yeah man, them past performance they cost it.
Just privately go and get their stuff done, whatever stuff that is. Go get them bath, go get them this, go get them that. But no, it's like totally different where people are practicing things that just don't, that's so in your face. So I'm saying to myself, when did people become so in your face or so bold with Obia, you know. Someone reminded me of
So, your name put in the Bible, you wonder. You see, the thing is, you see, if you never met around so much people in your life, all this I sit there, you're not afraid to over it and a wonder, you know. You would not afraid to over it. You want to sit down and lie down in your house and not have flashes. Because I say nobody no call you tell you nothing about if you have a name come out of the Bible, you know. Why people that just come out of it, somebody just come out of the blues and call you. And I like someone's story come back up in a social media. So the person will say, your name in the Bible or your name still in the Bible. Nothing no come up and you just come up with that, so. A flashes you have, man. Because guess what, me know? Your deeds over the years. You just can't see yourself going about and know say, boy, okay, I'm free. Nobody now do me nothing. You always got things that people want to harm you. Yes? Whether spiritually or physically, you are got always things that people want to harm you. As I say, me a boy, you know, I walk go anywhere. Any God Almighty way. I mean, I have to look. First thing me ever pass and looking at people's face. And you see, when you're paranoid, when you pass and see people, you have to look, you want to look in them face, because you want to make sure you can mark a face if anything can happen. You know, I'm sitting there, I pass a clique and man, so I go about my ways. I just hold my head straight. If a man see me and know me and hear me, I say, yo, what go on, General? Sometimes if me there so and the person over there, so I start trying to look for yourself to see who them is, because at the same time you have to try to protect yourself, because you don't want to walk going in a danger. So you start analyze. You know, you going ahead, you start analyze the place, and you know, you start visually look around and you work with your spirit. If you feel like say, boy, I know I don't like how them move shaky. You turn left and you turn right and you go up the road. But me that I'm on the pass people. So like you know, even the life where you do, you sit down and your back turn. And I like me where they are so you know. People are pass. And that's why I like the video in my car or in my room. Because you're less distracted. But when you're there, say, we move into here, you just look, and you look, and you look. But you turn with your back against the wall. You understand? Starbucks. And every minute you depend. You're paranoid. And this is why these things are going to always flash up in your head. Because you just tell yourself that people want to harm you. Why people want to harm you? Because of your past. You always try to go on like you want to bring down people and belittle people. Get involved in people's personal life and personal affair and business and family. For no reason. It make you live uncomfortable now, you know. It make you live uncomfortable. You never know the day. If you never know the day, say that's going to make you live uncomfortable, you want to start
it. To this day, I don't understand the whole act of putting my name in a Bible. I don't understand it. As a matter of fact, I didn't even know that my name was in a Bible until...
I don't know voodoo them a work for you. Such individual now work no voodoo for you. Where make God deal with you. And that's why your name in the Bible. If a voodoo the person that work for you, your name would in the Bible. Your name would elsewhere all over the rest of places where them say Eve, you deal with Eve. You understand? Yes. That he, yeah, all over the other places when me grow come here, so them deal with them something there, and that's why your name would there. Your name would in a Bible. So basically, the person want God to deal with you, that's why them put your name in the Bible. So there's no other way around where you are thinking.
And that's when I went to watch the clip. Like I went to watch the clip and with the individual saying that they put my name in the Bible. And it was a big Bible and they held up the Bible and said my name in the Bible and stuff like that. So
I know you're one alone in there.
To this day, I still can't understand the whole concept of them putting my name in a Bible. And so in my reel, I asked you guys, what do you think that means? For those of you who might have an understanding, not saying that you're believers of that, but if you have an understanding, a spiritual understanding, what do you think, or why were the reasons you think my name was placed inside of a Bible? You're free to sound off here on my page, but what type of act is that? Is it perceived? Was it perceived
Yeah, Fred.
as
Go up on your knee and pray to Father God and ask Him.
or something meant for good, you know. What do you think about it? Even if you did not see the video, what do you think about the act of placing somebody's name in a Bible? Um, and you know, what do you think about that? All right, come on, my Bible heads, because
You
there are
look
a lot of people on my
uncomfortable
page
though.
who see the evil in it, but I can't. From my end, my perception of it is, uh, you know, I don't have a fear of it. I don't
So
fear
why
that.
wonder? Why I worry then? Why I worry and
I
think so
don't
hard and
fear.
want to
I don't
know if you're
fear
not a
that
fear of it?
act. You know, so they said something about belief kills something something. I don't know, but I don't believe that act of
Because you look
I still
worried.
can't find it. You know, because the book is the good book. The Bible is the good
You
book.
look worried bad.
And
I saw it go
I've
man.
always been
When
taught
you're
that
not
the Bible
clean,
is
you
the
know,
good
you go
book,
worried,
right?
you know.
You read from it whenever you want
Not to
peace.
mention
You
our
read from
financial
it whenever
stress
you want
drop
to be
down
cured
upon
of
you.
something. You read
You
from it
start think all kind
for
of things. And that's
tranquility.
how I
I
reach you,
mean,
you
you
know.
read from it for.
And the financial stress will come down upon you, you know, you start questioning all kind of things of the past. Because you realize that no care you come on your social media platform, come pretty tough and make it look like all is well and you're okay and you're putting out products out there and you have business going on well. You know, when you go home to yourself, the reality hits you. You have to face it. So things is not good. Things is not pretty where business is concerned. But you just have to make we out here look like that. You understand? Make we out here make it look like yes, it's okay. But we know it's not okay. In this video, you come and tell, oh, you know, it's, I stopped put out certain things on social media. Where did I put out on social media from day one? More than spinning tool because cake and a flash and little ice in pan it. We never see that bait nothing. We don't see them mix nothing. Sometimes we see a jar for one little bowl like a baby that eat out her, and we see her whip up something. How much cake or cupcake that can make? Me don't know. Because I don't think that can make pallet or cupcake. What do you see you take one photo? You go against the people that mixer like a you buy mixer or a your bakery. The space where you rent where you get the mixer where you go against it. All me a peep, see me a people. The mixer down on the ground, you know. So and the camera kind of higher than the mixer so you can't see in it. But me can't see nothing in it. All me see like she try to put her hand in it. See me you know like a idiot. Hey, me a real jackass, you know. See me a tip up, you know, cause me a tip up. Cause me a try to look down and I realize it's a still photo how me a go sit down in it. But me a say me can't see no mixture, no butter, no flatter, no sata, no water. Me stay so people, me can't see nothing down in it. So, you know, when you go home and you face the reality, these are the things you have to come up in your face, pop up in front of your thought, in your thought and in front of your face. I wonder if the time when they say them put my name in the Bible, I wonder if it work against me. I wonder if I she, I wonder if I him, I wonder if... Yes, man.
For you to feel good. That's how I was taught to use the Bible. You read the Bible before you go to bed. Like if you cannot sleep, if you have a problem sleeping at night, you just get the Bible and you just read, and before you know it, you fall asleep. You know, when I try to think about the things that has happened in my life since then, I don't see where that act affected me any which way.
I'm glad you know. Cause probably you come out and come blame. Like how you say it. No, I'm sure say glad you know, but I like how you say it. I want to hope you flip the story. You know, see where it has been affecting you. So, couple days from now, you don't come out and come say, had the person you put your name in the Bible, make you have a downfall in your life. Alright? Because the video you're going to for sure. Because you say, I know that.
Anything that has made my life better. If I want to entertain it.
Wow.
You know, it has made me a
make
great
your
person
life
if
better?
I feel like entertaining it. But to say bad, I don't know. Nothing bad, you know. You know, I'm still not calling my name of foolishness. And
You're not
let me
calling
tell you what
nobody
I've
name,
realized. I
Tina.
don't know if it's the universe that did it, but
You're so quiet
I
and
am here
nice. You're a
scrolling on social
simpleton.
media, and I, for some weird reason, every time I touch a video, when I search
Your life miserable and sad, Tina. You can't trick nobody out here. Your life miserable and sad. That's why you can't sleep at night time, you know. Because if you say you work so hard and I bake for the past 2 weeks, put it that way, yeah, where your website shut down. Me now go back in that part. But it's still, you can say, when you get up a morning time, you're up and Lord, you can see it in my face. But at the same time, you are work so hard at night time. And when people don't work hard and tired of them going to the bed when they don't want to sleep, sleep is a must. And by 3:30, 4 o'clock a morning time, you get up, Tina. Tina, you're not be nothing, Tina, not fool nobody, man. Depression, stress, financial woes, it affect you. So you can't sleep at night time. Like, every time you go to your bed and see darkness, you're dying to see light. So as you go to unlock your eye within an hour, you see daylight. So you jump up. And when you jump up, it's like you can't go back to sleep. Because the stress will depend on your financial stress, depression, all kind of things depend on you. You cannot work so hard and 3:30 a man you get up gone on life. When you're supposed to rest, recuperate your body to come back out the next day. 3:30, 4:30 you're up on life a morning time. And I work so hard. Lie like a what? Not even Van Damme show them no lie like a you.
Sharing a lot of things on social media because I don't want these people watching out my bakery.
But all the way that show never make no sense, Tina. As me just said earlier on, all the way that share to your viewers then are your supporters or the wider social media never make no sense. All we can do is you see a spin a little cake sitting where you put on the ice of the cake. Or when you put on a little one piece from another piece and another piece. We don't see when you bake them the Tina. We don't see when you make the butter for them the Tina. We don't see when you package them, when you're done and you package them Tina. And the shipment of cake where you send to China Tina. And the amount of cake Tina. If you make 5,000 cake Tina, you have to come show us 5,000. But at least show you 500 out of it, Tina. So we see say your business a progress Tina. So when you come and talk, you can say, yes man, probably I choose to bake 5,000 cake and I see a portion of cake too. But I never get to count them because to all them pack, I couldn't count them one by one. But it's a good amount of cake so she can write. We can't see nothing like that, Tina. And that I not just know where you say you're not sure nothing. That are from back then when you are sure. We never see them they sitting in the Tina. So where you hide now? You never did a show with nothing from day one. With your supermarket cake them where you go buy. A Walmart and all about and then you come ice to them.
Too enough. You understand? I stopped posting a lot of stuff. I remember I used to post when I'm in.
And all this, you know, is because 99 come out, come say, our friends and well-wishers tell us she should stop, come out, come post our things them. Because I eat the people them jealous of, I make them go at her so much. And she hear 99 say that she come now at her, but that's why she stop post. Lord Jesus, please, here thunder roll there. And me now run me on a tree, green tree. Because my heart so clean and pure. All them they couldn't stand up on this tree here. And here thunder roll and stand up same way.
I stop. The only people who need to know anything are my customers. Yes, or when I'm advertising.
And not even them here show nothing.
I stop showing my activities, my baking activities, because it becomes a situation of people trying to start a competition. There's no competition, people.
Glad you know that.
Oh, she don't bake unless this person bake. I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? Entire United States stop baking because of one person. And the entire United States start baking when one person start baking. No,
don't get the entire United States involved in this because we know what we are talking about. You understand? One woman in Jamaica And you have the whole United States where you have whole heap of baker where you bake, but the one woman of Jamaica give you a headache. So don't get it mixed up and go on like you want to derail the argument. We're not talking about the whole United States here. We're talking about T-Dog, aka Sameso TV. Are you we are talking about? And if you have a look on it, so why when this one woman a bake you have so much headache? How much baker the America bake right now? With you and she not bake now. And you not have no headache, you not have no problem with them, but she have problem with. So don't come out here, come twist the thing. Are you we are talking about?
Making no damn sense.
Where you looking? Help?
They're just not making no sense. No sense at all.
Tell yourself that, man, because you not make no sense real, you not make no sense. You not make no sense in your business and you not make no sense right now. So when you gonna reach making dollars?
No sense at all, make.
When you gonna reach making dollars? Because you not make none of your business and you not make none right now.
Stuff on my page. Thank you. Yes, man. Yes, I am. Yes, darlings. Just take one myself, because I'm gonna go over YouTube. I'm gonna say one bag of madness. I'm gonna say, Lord of mercy. Who told these people about YouTube? Huh? Who told these people about YouTube? Who's to be blamed for this? All of this madness going on YouTube? Mighty God of Nazareth. From my born, I never see this madness in my life. One bag of mad people. Merciful for mad like shot. And it's a bunch of big man.
All the way you did a step on your platform, not make you mad. But when other people are saying a type in other people comment and sitting, make them mad. Okay.
And I block so till my block people till my fool. My block, go to my page, I'm a block. Thank you, Lawrence. My black people, I say, get it, I say. When me done black, I probably gonna have about maybe 100 people on my page. And that's fine with me.
Come on, I said, you blacking people, don't lower your subscription. You understand? You blacking people don't lower your subscription. So I don't know what you're talking about. You block them from seeing you. They have to unsubscribe. You understand? So I don't understand what you say. I'm not so smart and educated.
That's so fine with me. Listen, I go through my block.
They have to unsubscribe or unfollow you when them realize that you block them.
You know, like when everything just grind your gears and you just ew. You know that.
Sick your own stomach, yes?
Block. Ew. But no, my fear must be able to.
For the wrong reasons.
My fear must.
For the wrong reasons.
I think that there's a lot of positives and negatives with that.
You're famous for the wrong reason, man.
Group of Virgos, and I heard them post something about Virgos attracting a lot of weirdos, and it's so true. Yes, it's so true. I said, oh my God, this is so true. Where I tend to attract a lot of weirdos, and you see them all over on YouTube. Lots of weirdos. And I'm like, who are these unstable, unscrupulous type? And the thing about it, they're not even making any money. Like, you know.
Oh,
like
you know that.
100 views. So you tell me you just pick up yourself every day.
Oh, you know that. And you're going to say like 100 views. I said this the other day and I'm going to say it again. Views help you to get money. Yes, but at the same time, a video can have 20,000 views. And the video with 1,000 views make more money. Because the 1,000 people who are watching, the percentage of that 1,000 people that watch that video also watch your ads, because that's what gives you the money. The 20,000 video, people just skip your ads, bloop, 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 run over your ads. So basically, you don't make no money. You understand? Who have a channel can talk that and testify. Enough time the video where you see get all 10,000 views, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. When you look upon it and see the revenue where that video they generate, when you see the views, then you say, yes, nice, make a money after that video. Yeah. And when the 2 days pass and the revenue come in for the video, when you look upon it, You hold all your belly because you're satellite. So whatever them want views are for. And when you go up on the one, we have 2,000 or 1,000 views. The money 5-6 times what you get for that one, they will have a 10-20,000 views. So you not come here come talk about not making any money because 100 views, 200 views. You don't know where the people them make. You don't know where the people them make. You assume because of the views where you see. 200 views, but the 200 somebody support the channel and watch out every ad where them get. The 10,000 we are watching next video. Let me do that. You're a fake laugh.
It's not my fault. You can't let them hang.
Watch a big rotten teeth on a corner where she stand a rotten teeth.
Oh, but let them hang. It's not my fault. You can't let them hang.
Make sure the next time you gotta do something to yourself or that you gotta take out. Make up your mind and take it out, no matter how painful it is.
You know what I mean? I took care
Where you
of my
can
family.
smile comfortable because enough time you're uncomfortable and smile, you know. Worse when you're there around people or on your life.
Yo, everybody's asking me where I got my boobs done. I'm gonna put up the name of the doctor.
People, it's a disclaimer. And on my channel, you don't hear that pan. And on my channel, you don't take it out. Well, she now put it up right also. Upon fear I paid, sorry. But remember now, people, take my foolish advice. Take my, I want to see what him do to her. I want to see what she do to her. We don't know if I pay, she never pay the right money. We don't know if she owe. And him say when you come back, I will fix it. We don't know. You understand? So basically, we have to speculate. But trust me, anyway it want go, I the last somebody that would want go figure do something to me. Because if him can't do you so, wanna see the hard white where she go? As me say, one of them up on her knee to her chin and the next one drop down on her belly. And she now have a great big belly if you say boy Ray, and it drop down way down there. Wanna take my foolish advice. Not check that person there.
Yeah, everybody's like, oh my God, your boobs look so natural. Yes. I saw
Liar.
Like, my boobs them look natural.
Liar.
Sometimes people do their boobs and it looks like two basketball on their chest.
Not no more than probably two. She take the pictures, them, the selfie, them and stuff, and she knows that people are going to talk about it. She come out here pretending like she get a lot of compliment. And that's exactly what she did, you know. She come out here and pretend like, oh, how was that all why I don't got a lot of compliment for my boobs? People are asking me about the doctor who have done my boobs. They like them, they like how them look. Anybody will say they like them, their boobs, they not like you. Anybody will tell us say they like how them they put on and fix on and look, a hypocrite. But me know nobody not tell you no. It is just that because you post the pictures, because you want to post the pictures, because you want to say, okay, I was at a nice party, ear-to-ear party, and this is how I take out myself, and this is how I enjoy myself. Yes, you want to show say you mix and mingle in a nice little surrounding and stuff like that. So you have to post some videos. You understand? But at the same time, when you really sit down and reflect on how your boobs them shape up in a little sitting there, tie up the two of them, you know it not look good. So you have to come out here and say something and pretend as if there is compliment you're getting. People should not get no compliment. Me can't tell you that. And we all know
Mines
that.
don't look like that. Mine just have a nice fall to it, and they just whoop, like whoop.
Watch her laugh off her own self.
And my incision is so tiny. Like, you see what I wore on Sunday? You could barely see the incision. Yeah. Let me tell you, man, people it's just bad mind. Hey, doll, what's up? It's just bad mind.
If somebody want bad mind for them, then them are idiot hearted.
That's what it is.
Who that really want to get up and bad mind you for them then?
Just jealousy. We see them all up.
Ipity up. When me a bad mind if Ipity up for? Bo Dolly. Listener, with our arse leg, not all arse stand up better than you.
We see everybody do the dolly pose.
All arse stand up better than you.
Dolly pose. But for the dolly pose, you need dolly legs.
But you don't have no daddy legs.
Dolly legs. Yeah,
You
man,
don't have no daddy legs.
Dolly pose. Yeah, but
Every time I see you, remember me, I want to ask back in the early 90s when name Exporter, when Michael Silvera, one trainer in Jamaica, used to have. One horse, I tallest horse me ever see, and in leg then tall and in shape.
You see, if your legs them not straight, it not gonna look good. You understand? So, me I teach you the all for pose. Yeah?
You know the
If your
bodybuilding in your
legs
shape
them
and
don't
look so.
straight, it not gonna look good. And the legs them have to straight before we do the dolly pose. Yeah? So I have to show that again.
You know the bodybuilding in your look so.
Well, they're a different person that you know. Them can't mess with them type of top people. Them are mad people. Them mad, but them can't mess with them top people. They be able to.
Nobody no one know your doctor, man. Nobody no one know your doctor in a social media. Anyone in your friend them want know your doctor, them will call you personally. You know if you go and post no doctor.
Nobody not telling you to go fix up yourself.
Because right now if you post that the doctor there, whatever transpire, where you and him is concerned, if I'm money me no know, the doctor go more lose than gain. So don't feel like you do something good for the doctor by posting your doctor. And the worst thing you gonna do for that doctor, please don't post the doctor. Please. Because you're gonna mash up the doctor business. And at the same time, we might don't end up know the truth about why you end up get fixed like how you get fixed.
If you don't want to fix up yourself, that's your business. You don't want to fix up yourself, but if you go up on the internet and nitpick and attack.
So why you don't want to fix your teeth?
Something is wrong with you. Something is definitely wrong with you.
Everybody take pride in their mouth more than anywhere else. Your mouth, your arm. You understand? And for female, your crotches. But overall, male and female, you take pride in your mouth and your arm. Because it's true that are the two things we open up to the public most of all. Yes. And then woman know them crotch because guess what? Them no want when they go lie down with one man. Scandal and excitement broke out upon them. You understand what I'm saying to you? But your mouth and your arm are the two first, and you don't want to cut the big old rotten teeth the way you claim to rotten teeth. Hey.
Something is wrong with you.
I'm showing already space when teeth come out. See there? See there? Yeah? Oh. She have one big rotten teeth broke off down in her head that talk about her gum. So far down your gum come. Anyway, speak my mind people, come to the end of another video, you know. Go and worry about your name in the Bible, yeah? Yes man. Wanna do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch it all. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead now and do so. Please, if you are new over here and have not yet subscribed, despite there's a lot of my foundation subscribers and people who say I'm a supporter who have not yet subscribed over there all know. Plus the people that I love talk about and be a bagger and if you do something else, you still not subscribe over there neither. So you go on over there go see what you want to see. Family oriented channel. Alright. Down in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy, YouTube channel and Tamika Douglas. Go give them a subscription. Please and thanks. The cash up down there also. $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, we take the gift and give back to the needy. It's that time of the month. Month 10 when we give back. Alright? Bless up. I still not find nobody yet. I might just have to go look for an old person because you see the school as I did tell me more run it right till the summer, it cost too much headache, too much rigmarole, and then the parents don't want to come up front because them just want to take things and give them. So when we take things and give them, all the next person I go get. The next person can't get because at the same time you have to try build content if you can make something and then we can show the world, you know, said people need assistance and when the channel I do where them can reach out to them $5, them $10, $20. If they choose to, it's not a must because it's not a charity. So our next person can achieve. You understand? So them are shy out for come in front of the camera, but them run go in a TVG and CVM. Go demonstrate for boy police throw down the road. Thanks for watching. I'm out.